Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for data extraction from text in 2026. So if you want to pull key details from long articles, reports, emails, or documents, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Then sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can start pasting or uploading text for extraction. Now paste your text into Claude AI or upload a document if it's large. So this can be articles, reports, meeting notes, or any structured or unstructured text you want to analyze. One of the most important steps is clearly telling Claude what data to extract. Instead of just saying extract information, specify exactly what you want, like names, dates, numbers, locations, or key points. To get clean results, ask Claude to format the extracted data in a structured way. So you can request tables, bullet points, JSON format, or categorized lists depending on your needs. If the output isn't perfect, use follow-up prompts. You can ask Claude to filter results, remove unnecessary details, or focus only on specific sections of the text. Claude can also help you go beyond simple extraction. You can ask it to find patterns, trends, summaries, or hidden insights inside the text, which is really useful for research and analysis. And that's how to use Claude AI for data extraction from text in 2026. Once you learn how to clearly define what you need and structure your output, extracting information becomes fast and accurate. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI data analysis tutorials and productivity tips. Hey,